How to add clickable link in YouTube Shorts. If any day you are a YouTube user and you would like to add a clickable link in the YouTube Shorts but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the YouTube application on your mobile device. For that, you can find the very YouTube application by scrolling left or right manually. But if you do not find the very YouTube application by scrolling left or right, you can go to an easier option. That is, you can go to the search icon on your very mobile device, search YouTube out there, and when you find YouTube, you have to tap on that. Now after you tap on that, you can see that YouTube will be launched on your very mobile device. After YouTube is launched on your very mobile device, now you will see an interface like this. Now after you see an interface like this, you have to go to the plus like icon on the downside, and there is the option of video, short, live, and all. Now since you would like to keep a short, you can tap on short, and after that you can just select a video that is present in your gallery. If any day it's showing a problem while just you are trying to upload a video from your gallery, it may be the problem of the internet connection out there, so you do not need to be scared or you do not need to be terrified at the time. So you can also either just click a video of your surrounding that you want at an instant time. This way as well you can prepare a shot. You just have to tap on the red button on the downside, and this way a shot will be clicked and it will be prepared. Now you have to click on the very tick like icon on the side. Now one thing you have to remember is to add a clickable link directly. The very option has been removed from the very YouTube since 2023 itself. Therefore there is a next option, that is we have to go in the next option like this, and then you can see the screen of the related video there. Now you have to tap on the option of the related video. After that you can select any of the video that you want to keep as a related video link there. You have to tap on the video and then go to the option of the upload shot, and after you tap on the option of the upload shots out there, the video will be uploaded. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.